Every paint shop needs a mixing machine with great performance and reliability, and for small shops, that machine needs to fit within their budget. I'm here at the Collomix factory in Germany to look at this, the VIRO Neo. It's a shaker that's been engineered for great working ergonomics and durability within the budget of a smaller tinting operation. Now, at the core of any machine like this is the mixing unit, and the VIRO Neo contains a completely new mixing unit based on Collomix's famous VIRO technology. Minimal maintenance is required after the installation. Now, this mixing unit is strong and stiff, and the components in here have been carefully positioned to achieve symmetry. In this way, the driving and the clamping motors are perfectly weight balanced. A perfectly balanced mixing unit cuts down on vibration, and that means less noise on the shop floor, less strain on the machine, and greater reliability. Now, inside the machine, the spindle splash guard provides vital protection against paint splashes. And with any machine like this, the number one cause of machine failure is paint contamination. A built-in handle restraint is also included as standard. During mixing, the intelligent clamping control system continually monitors and adjusts the clamping pressure. Combined with the rigid upper clamping plate, this means the mixer can handle off-center cans with no problems. The machine is faster to load and paint spills are reduced to a minimum. The VIRO Neo is fitted with a conventional swing door, and the door can be very quickly swapped between left-handed and right-handed opening for total flexibility during installation. The terminal on the front here incorporates the buttons, the screen, and the only circuit board in the whole machine. And that means that all the electronics are in one place and servicing or upgrading can be done very, very quickly. Your mixer fleet can be managed remotely with the optional Smart Connect upgrade. This offers a range of smart functions, including Auto Mix, which will automatically set the correct speed and mixing time at the touch of a button. And as with all Collomix products, the VIRO Neo has been engineered around reliability and long service life. In the field, fast servicing is essential, and technicians love the VIRO Neo for its ease of access. The VIRO Neo is the perfect shaker for customers with a limited budget who need the legendary reliability and performance of a Collomix machine. Find out more at collomix.com.